Ever wondered how successful digital marketing strategies are built? It's like putting together a complex puzzle, each piece representing a component of digital marketing. Let's dive in and uncover these essential elements one by one. First up, search engine optimization or SEO. Picture this. SEO is like the signage on a shop window. It's all about making a website more visible on search engine results pages. By optimizing the content and structure of a website, it becomes easier for search engines to find, leading to increased organic traffic. Next is content marketing. Imagine content marketing as the soul of a brand. Its voice, values, and personality. It's about creating and sharing valuable, relevant content to attract and engage a target audience. Blog posts, videos, infographics, you name it. If it provides value, it's content marketing. Then we have social media marketing. Think of it as a town square, a place where brands and customers meet, interact, and build relationships. Harnessing the power of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, businesses can promote their products, engage with customers, and even run targeted ads. Moving on to email marketing. It's like sending personalized letters to customers, offering updates, promotions, or just engaging content. With a well-managed subscriber list, email marketing can deliver significant results. Now consider pay-per-click advertising or PPC. It's the digital version of a billboard but with a twist. Advertisers bid on keywords and pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. It's a fast track to the top of search results, but it comes at a cost. Next in line, affiliate marketing. It's akin to having a network of salespeople all promoting a product or service. Businesses partner with affiliates who earn a commission for every sale they generate. Influencer marketing, on the other hand, is like celebrity endorsement in the digital age. Brands collaborate with social media personalities who can promote their products to a wider audience. Content advertising is another key piece of the puzzle. It's about amplifying the reach of content through paid channels, such as sponsored posts or native advertising. Video marketing is like a movie trailer for a brand. It involves creating and sharing video content to engage audiences and deliver compelling marketing messages. Mobile marketing focuses on reaching customers on their smartphones through mobile-optimized websites, apps, or even text messages. Analytics and data analysis are the compass guiding a digital marketing strategy. By tracking and analyzing campaign performance, marketers can optimize strategies for better results. Marketing automation is like having a personal assistant taking care of repetitive tasks such as scheduling emails or social media posts. And finally, chatbots and AI. These are the digital customer service reps providing instant support and personalized recommendations. So, there you have it, the many pieces that form the digital marketing puzzle. From SEO to AI, each plays a crucial role in building a successful digital marketing strategy. Remember, it's not about mastering one, but understanding how they all work together. That's the secret to digital marketing success.